bringing the age of
widespread across the world than at any time in history. In 2016, 70 countries are caught up in 56 continuing conflicts. The West usually can merely observe conflicts, not make any effort to bring them to an end. Dissenting voices to this objectionable political stance are heard. However, the ideology of political stance, such as Huntington, silences these voices.
Articles written by Samuel Huntington in 1991 defined the history of the of war and anticipated the 21st century. His work founded the message of the world reached the point where wars and destruction are inescapable. According to Huntington, the wars of the 21st century are the unavoidable result of the dialectics of history.
Therefore, if scientific the nation should not try to prevent them, but rather benefit from them as much as possible. This point of view has served to desensitize millions of people to deaths and the massacre.
Huntington has been part of the political establishment that has shaped the U.S. since 1948. His theory of war was the clash of civilizations.
Well, as a clash of civilizations.
Argued that, with the end of the Cold War, the threat to the West's global rule was Islam. Naturally, the West's Great War would be with the Islamic civilization.
The thesis of a clash of civilization was followed up by intent at the age of wars in 2001. In particular article, Huntington advanced his theory between the West and the Islamic world further. The main point was that Muslims were more civilizations and thus more dangerous.
The 9/11 Muslim War USA. Huntington's had the consequence of problems in the West. 15 years following Afghanistan and Iraq were occupied. There were revolutions in Tunisia and Egypt. Syria, Libya, and Yemen dissolved into civil war. As Huntington died in 2008, he did not see it, but innocent ideologically supported.
Today, Huntington with. However, continue to write articles that legitimize war and cruelty. These theories are the products of a educational system that teaches war is essential to humanity's development. The most powerful and egotistic survive. On the other hand, the morals of Islam has put at the center of development self-sacrifice, sharing, unity, and solidarity. The Islamic future lies in unification, together, struggle in a common and right manner against such ruthless games. The climate of can come to a halt only when Islamic nations unite and act as a single body like well-built walls. The future age will not be, as Huntington calls, the age of wars. It will be a new golden age for Muslims and therefore for the whole world.